Corvette fans, here's a nice one to take a look at. 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Last year the C2s, of course, 67. This particular one, soft top and hard top, and as you can see, side pipes to boot. Now, underneath the hood, 327, 350 horse, numbers matching engine that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Now, as far as the engine had been rebuilt and then was reinstalled in the car as of June of 2021. So it has not been in there very long at all, not many miles put on it. I'll go through some of the things that were done and touch base on some of the recent service also. But first of all, let's take a look at this front chrome bumper, grille. FYI, the headlights do work, and they appear that they have been switched over to the electric motors. They will go up and down with just the key on. It's not run by vacuum. A few spots up front where you can see it was well taken care of, and I don't even know if I can get them to show up. There's one where you might have a real small, tiny rock chip, and that has been touched up. So it shows very well. Paint is nice on this car, has had a repaint. You can look at the data tag, the VIN, and check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, chrome style rally wheels, spinners. And we're going to start it up here in a little bit so you can hear this car with those side pipes. Very nice sounding car. And as far as equipment and what works on this car, I've had the wipers work. I mentioned the headlights do go up. The radio works, clock works, blower fan works. So very well taken care of vehicle with everything working in it. Now, as far as some of this recent service work, does have a new oil pressure gauge that was in ops. They put a new oil pressure gauge in it. It does have a new aluminum radiator, serpentine belt, and then when we get into some of the engine things that were done, it did have a new thermostat put in, new water pump, plugs and wires, distributor cap and rotors, and then of course the rebuild of the 327 350 horse. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the rear backup light, 67, the only C2 to have that backup light. Easy way to tell a 67 if you're behind it. Chrome looking good. Taillight surrounds, all nice shape. Antenna intact, and again, I did mention that radio works. There was a few, just a little bit of stress areas around the antenna, and they noticed a little bit around where the hard top will go in, but nothing major there. The top on this one, black vinyl, very nice shape. We're going to put it up here in just a bit after I start it. Let you hear it run. We'll put that top up so you can check that out too. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Also riding on Michelin radials. They're in nice shape, and you can check those out in the still pictures also. Interior would be standard black, and that's the way this car would have been produced back in 1967 from Chevrolet. And you can see free of rips, tears, holes. Vinyl is in nice shape. Vinyl top and interior obviously have been restored, along with the repaint on this car, the engine bay, engine rebuild. So this one's ready to get in. Turn the key and go, and let's do that. Let's see how it sounds. See how easily that starts. Fuel gauge working. Go over here, tack, battery, oil pressure. Of course, the temp gauge will come up with the temp of the car, and boy, does that sound nice. There's your clock, actually working. Radio. Radio working. Hit the wipers for you once too. See those swipe? And let's raise those headlights up for fun. Look at that. Even come up pretty even. High beam indicator even works. remember, I did mention hard top, soft top, black vinyl hard top, armrest, receipts, battery tender, a few miscellaneous things that will be included with the car. All right, I want to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood and check out that engine bay. First of all, how about the headlights? Take a look at them. Everything working fine there. So let me pause this. Let's get the hood open and we'll check out that convertible top. All right, let's take a look at this engine bay. Now remember, rebuilt, numbers matching, 327, 350 horse, headers on it. Aluminum radiator was done at the time. Engine was reinstalled. Wow. Nice and tidy. And smooth running. Well done. Take a look at the passenger side. Gotta love these C2s and the side pipes. There you go. And again, you can check out the numbers matching stamping. It's on the pad. That's in the still pictures. The casting numbers there. The data tag, the VIN plate, all of that is there at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, I'm going to shut this down a second. Let's get the convertible top up. Check that out and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Soft top up to take a look at. First of all, take a look how nice it fits on the top of the windshield. Black vinyl, obviously like new condition. Yeah, you're gonna have a few of the wrinkles and what have you from where it's been folded up, but no holes, rips, tears. It's gonna serve the purpose, keeping you dry, or if you just want to stay out of the sun. Take a look at the rear window. Yes, it is a plastic one, but very easily seen through. Nice and clear. Fits as it should, nice and snug. No surprises with the top. Again, manual on the C2s. Very easy to put up and down. And of course, mentioned this one does come with that hard top also. So don't forget about that. You kind of have the best of both worlds. Convertible, hard top, or soft top. There you have it, 1967 Chevrolet convertible. Nice looking Corvette. 327, 350 horse, 4-speed manual transmission. Side pipes, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us at 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate with a call in right now.